Hello and welcome to my video. Today I'm going to showing you how to write an effective email and also let you about a free tool I found, a free plugin for Chrome, or use it with Brave as well that will respond to email for you using ChatGPT. It's amazing. So I'm going to show you how to write an email. I open the ChatGPT, then what I'll do, I'll write here, can you please write an email to my wife, her name Hannah, and let her know that I'm going to be 1 hour late home from the office as I have so much work to do, but please let her know that I will make it up to her when I come back and take her out for a lovely meal at her favorite restaurant. I can help you that here simple email you can use. Here is say the subject, it says the running late. Dear Hannah, I hope this email finds you well. I wanted to let you know that I'm going to be 1 hour late home from the office today. I have a lot of work to finish up and I want to make sure everything is taken care of before I head back home. I apologize for any inconvenience this may cause, but I promise to make it up to you when I come back. I know how much you love eating out and I would like to take you to your favorite restaurant for a lovely meal. Thank you for your understanding and I look forward to seeing you later tonight. Be regards, and here should be my name. I can do the little bit different as the humor. So what can I write? I can write here, can you make it seem, and add some humor. So it will give me, I think, sure, I can certainly make it less formal and add some humor to the email. Here's a revised version. So subject here, hey beautiful, running a bit late. Hey Hannah, how's my favorite person doing today? I hope you are having a great day. I wanted to give you a quick heads up that I'm going to be running late tonight. The pile of working on my desk is looking a little too friendly and I am having a hard time saying goodbye, but don't worry, I'll make it up to you and in the best way possible. When I finally escape this office, I am taking you out for a fancy dinner at your favorite restaurant. You know, I can't resist this cheese fry and the cute little dessert platter. Plus, I get to spend some quality time with my favorite person. Thank you for being so understanding, love. I can't wait to see you soon. Love you. And your name means it's my name. So that's a fantastic to write an email to someone or your favorite person or your colleague, whatever, where do you want. So let's do with the another email, like I'm asking for something. So what can I do? I can do like this, write an email to my boss for 2 days leave. Let's see what GPT give me. Of course, it's GPT said that I can help you write an email to request a 2 days leave from your bosses. Here are a simple email you can use. Here subject given, request for 2 days leave, and here say I hope this email find you well. I am writing to request a 2 day leave from your starting from. I have some personal matter to attend to during this time and I would greatly appreciate your approval for my leave request. I have informed my team member about my absence and I have made sure that all my blah 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 you can say here, and the best regard, it's my name, and you just copy it and paste it to your email where do you want to send it. So it's very easy to write with the ChatGPT. And there is another tools I want to show you with the, like here ChatGPT write email message with AI. So here is one new tools I can show you. So how can quick response to your boss, to your colleagues, to your whatever you want, but you should log in the with ChatGPT, otherwise it will not work. I can show you. Here is one email. It's about for payment of annual fees. Here it says, dear finance, I hear there is a question about the annual fee for schools. Annual fee are written as due on the 15th on June for most students. Some are due on the 15th of July if they have more than one due with monthly fee. If annual fees are not paid by July 1st, then 200 taka late fee will be also applicable. Thanks for work you do on behalf of the school. Sincerely, here my boss is said. So what can I do with the reply? I just reply. And here is the option. You can see ChatGPT writer generate email reply. So it says the easily you can do with this thing. You can add with the Chrome Web Store, and you can easily generate a replay. So what can you do? You can also verify, enter what do you want to replay. So what do you want? So it's about the fees. What is your decision? Just your type is few word or the two sentence, so it will generate the automatic generated replay. So what can I do? I just as you want or your decision. I can say and I can say the generate replay. Here response generated. Dear school and parents guardian, it say thank you for your email regarding to the annual fee for school. It's important. Is automatically generated and based regard final department. What a fantastic! And you can see the examples. How to write and reply to this email about salary negotiation, and write a reply to this email in the German language about doing affiliate partnership. Write any reply. Right, I replied to this email that I won't be able to attend a meeting due to the health. So there is a different example, so you can use this, and it is very easy to generate. And so what can I do? I do now the insert generate response, so it will come here and send to the wherever I want to send here. So by the ChatGPT is very fast and very smoothly can reply and make an email for you. Thank you for watching this video.